Hello guys, welcome to another review. Today we are going to be driving a BMW M5 Competition. It will be just a quick drive, just to show you how this car drives in the day-to-day traffic. So let's go, start the engine. So this car has a V8 with a twin turbo. It also has a all-wheel drive system. Oh. If you want, you can configure the speed of the shifting of the transmission with these buttons on the gear selector. If you press setup, you also can configure various settings like engine, suspension, steering.
Za 300 metrů odbočte doleva. Odbočte doleva.
This is a bad junction. Power. I'll put on the screen how much horsepower this car has, but it's just insane. It's really fast. If we downshift and floor it, wow. It's just super fast.
Za 300 metrů odbočte doprava. Odbočte doprava. Jeďte na severozápad.
Let's try the acceleration one more time. Downshift the second and full gas. Dirt is there just instantly.
Za 500 metrů odbočte doprava.
Oh, it's just really strong and powerful car. You can't really use it in day-to-day traffic, in my opinion. And also the consumption is just insane.
Odbočte doprava.
Oh.
Za 500 metrů z kruhového objezdu vyjeďte čtvrtým výjezdem.
Okay guys, I think that's about it. It was just a quick little drive with a BMW M5 Competition 22 model year. Hope you enjoyed this little point of view drive. If you did, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna be making some more reviews and better videos than this one. This was just a quick little one because I don't have enough time with the car.
Váš cíl bude vlevo.
Okay, that was the last acceleration I tried. Thank you very much. See you next time. Goodbye.